How to deposit check in Scotia Bank. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can deposit check in Scotia Bank. For this, you want to download and install the Scotia Bank app on your device. Head over to Play Store or App Store and search for Scotia Bank mobile banking app. Then you want to tap on the install button. Once the application has been installed on your device, you simply want to log into your account. After you have been logged into your account, this is going to be your home screen. Here you want to tap on the Move Money option at the bottom of your screen. Now tap on Deposit a Check option. Here you want to tap on this drop down arrow where it says Deposit To. Now you want to select your account, so go ahead and select that. Once you have selected it, the next step is to enter your amount. For that, tap on the amount option. Now you simply want to enter your desired amount. Once that is done, the next step is to capture your check image. For that, tap on the front of the check option. Now you simply want to tap on the continue option. Then take a picture of the front of your check, then tap on Use Images option. After that, it's time for the back of the check, so tap on this option. Now take a picture of the back of your check, tap on Use Images option. Once that is done, you want to check if all the informations you have entered are correct. Then you want to slide over here where it says Slide to Deposit. As you can see, it says your deposit was accepted, so now you want to tap on the Finish option. And in these simple steps, you are able to deposit check in Scotia Bank, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.